How long does a DUI, DWI stay on my record here in Indiana? Well, when people get arrested and convicted for DUI, they often have the question, how long will this be on my record? And it's not an easy answer because Indiana has something called expungement, which we can hide, legally hide, and then you can legally say never been arrested or convicted. Some convictions, but not all. So let's break it down. Number one, if you were arrested for DUI and you were not convicted, well, you're eligible to have your record expunged. The courts are supposed to do this on their own. Some courts don't want to do it on their own. Got to get an attorney involved. We can file a quick expungement for a non-conviction. It's usually pretty quick. So if you're not convicted of a DUI, DWI, we can expunge your record pretty quickly, and it should be pretty painless. Now, if you were convicted of a misdemeanor DUI or a felony that was reduced to a misdemeanor, we have to wait generally 5 years from the date of conviction. And so people often want to try to put this behind them as soon as possible. Unfortunately, the law is pretty clear, absent some circumstances or the prosecutor agreeing, which they don't like to do, you have to wait 5 years. And while that 5 years may seem like a long time, the cool thing is once it's expunged, again, you can say you've never been arrested, you've never been convicted, then it's off your record. It can no longer be found on mycase.in.gov. It's gone. So nosy neighbors and snooping coworkers can't find it. It's amazing. Now, if you had a level 6 DUI, because it's a felony, because maybe 2 and 7 years, maybe there's a kid in the car, who knows? And your attorney was not able to turn it to a misdemeanor, you have to wait 8 years from the date of conviction. That's not as fun because 8 years is longer than 5 years. We get that, but it's still eligible to be completely hidden. It's going to be off your record. It's going to be off mycase.in.gov, which is Indiana's online repository for court records. Again, it's pretty magical. Now, sometimes there's some weird fact situations where somebody got a felony 10 years ago, and they get a DUI 5 years ago, and it's 5 years. They say, well, it's been 5 years since my misdemeanor conviction. Well, it's always going to be 8 if you have a felony in your history. So even though that felony was 10 years ago, you got a DUI 5 years ago, we're going to have to wait 8 years from the most recent conviction. Timing can be kind of weird. Give us a call if that's happening to you. We'll gladly talk to you about when you're eligible, give you an exact date. And we love expungement because people love expungements. Expungements are some of the happiest clients we have here. And it's funny because we do trials nonstop. We're getting not guilties. We're getting people back home with their family. We're getting people driving on the road. But expungements and driver's license, people are just grinning ear to ear, smiling, trying to give us hugs. I take some of the hugs, not all of them. But people love expungements, and we love helping people with expungements. If you have a felony higher than a level 6, call us because there's all sorts of weird rules, some non-discretionary expungements, some you can still get it expunged and it might appear online, but we want to try to get that down to level 6 or a misdemeanor generally. But sometimes it's not possible. No matter what level felony you have, we will try our best to give you a date when you qualify for expungement. And again, I can't stress enough, expungement's awesome. If you qualify for expungement, you want to do it. And you want to do it before you need it. We get people calling us all the time. Marc, I got a new job. Marc, I have a new opportunity. Marc, I want to take my kids on a field trip. I can't because this felony, this misdemeanor is showing up. I want it gone as soon as possible. It's going to take a little bit of time. Not an outrageous amount of time, but I tell people about 90 days, the expungement process from start to finish. Some counties take a little bit longer. Some counties, a little bit faster. Hey, I want as fast as possible, but it's never going to be fast enough when you need it. So the best idea is to get the expungement when you're eligible. Don't wait until you need it. If you have any questions about expungement, we'll talk about expungements all day. We love expungements. We love helping people put their past behind them. Our number is 317-632-3642. Most importantly, remember to always plead the fifth.